Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a unboxing video. I have all these packages, but I have no idea what I got. So don't even ask me. But before I start, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And now let's get started. So first I'm gonna do some thumbnails. Okay, anyways, let's get started. I have no idea where this is from. This is from Kentucky. So I guess let's open it. It says AliExpress, so I guess it's probably either, it feels like bottles, so I guess it's the bottles that I ordered. Hopefully it's the right size, because if not, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, it's a bag inside of a bag. Okay, that extra protection. Yeah, I think it's the bottle. Oh my gosh, okay, let's see. Okay, bubble wrap, okay. So let's see how they look. Alright. Okay, ooh. So these are my bottles for my shimmer sprays. They're the same size as my other bottles, except that they're skinnier and yeah, they're skinnier. The other ones are like kind of thicker, I guess. But yeah, there you go. Ooh. Okay, so now I know that those are all my stuff. Okay, there you go. I got that. Now let me open this. I have no idea. It says, yeah, I don't know. So let's see. It's all taped up and everything. I'm scared. I don't even know what's in here. I think it's part of this one. Maybe. Let's see. Oh wait, no. It's my lip gloss, my wand tubes. Oh my gosh. I ordered 100. I'm so happy. Look at it. Ah. This is actually kind of heavy. Okay, they got it in bubble wrap. I love that. The protection. Okay, okay. I'm definitely gonna order from these people again, but let's see if they have everything intact though. Let's see. Okay. Right, let's see if they have the stopper. No, there's no stopper. Or maybe there is a stopper, but it's in there. Let's see, whatever. I'm gonna look through this because if there's no stoppers, we're gonna have to fight. And if I'm gonna be petty, I might just count all of it. Oh, but it's kind of weird though. It looks like it has a stopper inside. I don't know. I'm gonna look through all of it though. Okay. Okay, so that's my 100 wand tubes, my my bottles for my shimmer mist. Now this is an Amazon thing. Okay, let's see. I know I ordered 2 of the 100 squeeze tubes. Dang it, so yeah, that's 200 squeeze tubes actually. Damn. Oh. I think this is the soup. Yeah, this is the soup that I ordered. Literally, there's no point of me ordering the soup. I'm really dumb. I don't know. Literally, don't give me money because I'll spend it on things that I don't need. Okay. I'm trying not to hurt my nails. It's like they're ready to come off, my acrylics. And I really need to, I want to get them taken off. Because I'm gonna start doing my nails at home. So I can save money. Ooh. I'm so happy about this. Hold on. Okay, yeah, it looks like everything's in there. Yeah, the tops. Yeah, the tops and the stoppers are in there. Okay. Oh, wait. Sorry, low battery. So, okay, I got everything that I wanted. I'm really happy. So this is 100, this is 100. So 200 of my squeeze tubes. And then now I have 100 of my wand tubes. Hey. Oh wait, there it is. Look, I have it. I have the stoppers. Okay. So anyways, this was like actually pretty quick. That other box is just a soup that I really don't need. But yeah, I'm so excited. That means I have a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna do a lot. I have a lot of work to do. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe once again. And by the way, thank you all for letting me hit 10K subscribers. That is crazy. I'm so grateful for all of you who are very supportive and just here watching my videos. So yeah. And expect another video later. I'm not sure, but I try to make a video of me making my lip plumper, but it just did not turn out well, I guess, because I was like I kept on getting interrupted. But yeah, anyways, that's it for this video. And yeah.